Let me show you how to draw perfect eyebrow. Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. If today is the first time you come across my page, my YouTube, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to leave your comment down below. So today I want to show you how to draw perfect eyebrow. You know, we have different ways we draw our brow, sorry. So today I'm using gel. This brown, dark brown is what we call gel. So sometimes you can use a pencil. Pencil is more easier. Brown pencil, dark brown pencil. So but before you draw, make sure your eyebrows, you already trim your eyebrow, you shave your eyebrows. You can do waxing or threading so that the lines will be very easy for you to trace. Okay, by the time you shave your eyebrows, there is one product I call a brow timer. I sell all these products, guys, in case you need any makeup product. I will post it to you, and they are original. Okay, after I already applied a brow timer underneath to slicken the hair down, and now we are now draw. It's the turn to draw the eyebrows, and make sure don't draw thick eyebrows. Make sure the brows is very light. I want you to focus your eyes, see the way I'm just you see. So from the beginning, you cannot use your pencil to draw some stroke, lines. Lines means stroke. So make sure your pencil is well sharp, for you to have that light eyebrows, because these days is the light eyebrows that is trendy. Okay, so if today is the first time you come across my page, I already mentioned my name before, Deck Beauty. I based in United Kingdom, London. Book me for your makeup. We are into makeup with Tigele, different abebe. Oh my god, any makeup, anyhow you want it. We do loud makeup, natural makeup, in between makeup, anyhow you take one time, I give it to you. I do different styles of gele. Just give me the material, I will give it to you. I do photo shoot as well. I have studio here for London. Come and have your photo shoot, your birthday photo shoot, husband and wife photo shoot. I get studio for here for London. In case you don't want to do party, at least brother, sister, auntie, uncle, do photo shoot and use that picture to celebrate yourself. That is it. I hope you want to concentrate for this video. As you can see, the eyebrows is looking poppy. If you want to see most of my work, go to my Instagram. My IG name is Deck Beauty. Deck Beauty. Follow me for all my social media. YouTube, I get to YouTube, Deck Beauty, and the other one is Deck Beauty Life. I have 3 pages. Please follow my 3 page. Now different things I did do there. This one for the wash me, so plenty things they what they do for you, especially gele. Now I get this place. I do a tie here, makeup tutorial, other videos, anything video to learn. The other of my page, I talk about UK matter. The other of my page, I teach Facebook monetization, Deck Beauty gist, Deck Beauty Life News. I have 3 pages. Gonna follow the 3 page. As you do so, God bless you. Follow my TikTok as well, Deck Beauty. Follow my Instagram. Follow me everywhere. Follow me for go. Thank you. Bye.